Here is this free mobile crane, CPCS Blue Card, Renewal mock test. It contains 15 questions similar to what you'd get on the official NOCN Pearson VUE touchscreen test. I will first read the question and then give you a few seconds before I reveal the correct answer. Ready? Let's go. 1. Why is a greater distance from power lines required for higher voltage lines? A. To avoid potential crane malfunctions. B. To decrease the power line's visibility. C. To showcase the crane's precision. D. To reduce the risk of dangerous arcing. Correct answer, D. To reduce the risk of dangerous arcing. Two. What determines the frequency of checks and inspections for a crane's maintenance? A. Manufacturer's recommendations. B. Operator's discretion. C. OSHA guidelines. D. Site manager's instructions. Correct answer, A. Manufacturer's recommendations. 3. What is the significance of all personnel, including the operator, taking note of the lift plan contents? A. To avoid lift plan requirements. B. To report discrepancies or missing elements in the plan. C. To save time during the lifting operation. D. To solely rely on the lift planner's instructions. Correct answer, B. To report discrepancies or missing elements in the plan. 4. What is the purpose of traffic warning or prohibition signs placed on or near bridges? A. To display nearby tourist destinations. B. To show the current weather conditions. C. To indicate the maximum permitted vehicle height. D. To highlight historical facts about the bridge. Correct answer, C. To indicate the maximum permitted vehicle height. 5. What is the importance of a mobile crane being leveled both longitudinally and laterally during a lift operation? A. To ensure a smoother lifting process. B. To enhance operator visibility. C. To prevent side loading on the boom or jib. D. To showcase the crane's adaptability. Correct answer, C. To prevent side loading on the boom or jib. 6. What potential issue might arise with loads having a large surface area in high winds? A. A movement or swinging that could cause the crane to go out of radius. B. Changes in load weight distribution. C. Hoist rope alignment with the boom. D. Increased hoist rope visibility. Correct answer, A. A movement or swinging that could cause the crane to go out of radius. 7. Why are minimum distances specified when working near overhead power lines? A. In case power lines are cut. B. To prevent fire hazards. C. For lightning strike protection. D. To avoid electric arcing. Correct answer, D. To avoid electric arcing. 8. What does the requirement for the hook to be directly above the center of gravity ensure during lifting? A. Decrease load stability and control. B. Enhance weight distribution of the load. C. Increase strain on the crane's mechanisms. D. Maintains the load stability and prevents swaying. Correct answer, D. Maintains the load stability and prevents swaying. Nine. Why is it crucial to segregate the area of lift and the area of placing the load from pedestrians? A. To increase the efficiency of the lifting process. B. To prevent interference with the lifting operation. C. To encourage public engagement with the process. D. To minimize the crane's workload. Correct answer, B. To prevent interference with the lifting operation. When does a crane's rated capacity apply? A. For freely suspended loads. B. Only for static lifts. C. For all lifts. D. Based on the experience of the operator. Correct answer, A. For freely suspended loads. 11. What causes costly incidents involving mobile cranes becoming unstable? A. Insufficient planning. B. Driver error. C. Lack of maintenance. D. Manufacturer defects. Correct answer, A. Insufficient planning. 12. What needs to be thoroughly planned before setting up a mobile crane? A. The number of loads to be lifted. B. The lifting accessories to be used. C. Ground conditions and the working area. D. The number of personnel required. Correct answer, C. Ground conditions and the working area. 13. What indicates the minimum distance from a trench edge? A. The load weight. B. Visible ground cracks. C. Twice the trench height. D. The slough radius. Correct answer, C. Twice the trench height. 14. What is often done when moving a crane between locations on site? A. Fully derig the crane. B. Partially derig the crane. C. Extend the outriggers. D. Disconnect power sources. Correct answer, B. Partially derig the crane. 15. How can driving on temporary roads affect mobile crane stability? A. Edge collapse hazards. B. Poor visibility from cab. C. Increased tire wear. D. Limited acceleration. Correct answer, A. Edge collapse hazards. So, this was the last question of this free mock test. If you made it this far, I guess you're about to take the dreaded CPCS renewal test and there are no other study materials except the long and boring fact sheet. Some people have failed this multiple times. Like my brother, who is not the brightest tool in the shed. But I still love him. Enough, in fact, to create a whole bunch of multiple choice questions from his category fact sheet. And guess what? He finally passed. That gave me the idea of creating similar mock test questions and answers for each and every category. Very tedious work, but it's worth it if it helps you study and pass the damn test to extend your blue card for 5 more years. If you wish to be fully prepared, then you have the option of purchasing my ebook, which contains the full bank of questions based on the official NOCN fact sheet. Note that these questions are not exactly the same in the official test, but they will be similar and based on the same information from the fact sheet. So instead of learning the exact questions and answers by heart, apply logic to the answers, and use these multiple choice questions to learn more efficiently for your CPCS Blue Card Renewal touchscreen test.